students, in this video we will solving a question where we have to construct an isosceles triangle where we have been given the length of the two equal sides as 8.5 centimeter. Also the angle between these two sides is given as 110 degree. So now let us proceed with the solution. So now, as you know that before proceeding, what we have to do is to draw a rough diagram of the given question. So as per the question, we have to draw an isosceles triangle. So we have been given two sides. So let us draw an isosceles triangle named as ABC. So here first we are drawing the rough diagram. So this is the side AB. Let us say it is 8.5 as per the question. Now again we have to draw one more side with an angle of 110 degree between these two sides. Let us say this is C. This is also your length of 8.5 centimeter. Now what you have to do is join these two at the end. So we have got an isosceles triangle ABC where we have two sides equal, which is AB and AC, and the angle between them is 110 degree. So this was the rough diagram for this question. Now let us proceed with our usual measurements. So first what you need to do, you have to draw this length AB by measuring with your scale of length 8.5 centimeter. So take your ruler here, keep it here in this way. Now draw a line segment of 8.5 centimeter. So this is the line segment of 8.5 centimeter. Name this as AB. Now further what you have to do is take your protractor. So this is your protractor, keep it here at A. Now from 0 you have to measure till 110 degree. So as you can see here, we have 90 here, then we will be having 110 degrees somewhere here. Exactly here we have 110 degree. Now after marking, again take your ruler and draw a line of length 8.5 centimeter. So first let us draw a usual line joining this point. Now after that what you have to do is measure the length of 8.5 centimeter on this ruler. So as you can see, from here to here we have measurement of 8.5 centimeter. So this will be your point C, and again this is 8.5 centimeter. Finally what you have to do is join this C with B. So again take your ruler and join this C with B. So this is your required isosceles triangle as per the measurement, and the angle between these two lengths is 110 degree. Thank you for watching this video.